All right, what's up, YouTube family? I'm going to take about 5 minutes to run through how to patent products without using an attorney now. And so this is my newest uh, invention through AI, which my next video will show you how to have AI help you invent things and give you ideas. This one in particular is how to patent it. And get the patent process through Chat 5. So what I'm using here is Abacus dot AI, which is probably my favorite platform. It allows a Teams mode and a lot of other things, but Chat 5 is powerful enough to do most of what I need. So I'm going to give it the proper prompt, which is making chat the expert. So you're an expert in the patent process. You have years of patent experience. Take this rubber nub golf glove design and make it into a provisional patent. And so what's good about Abacus is you can also have your deep agent and it will deep dive it even more if you want to do a prior art search and make sure there's nothing else like that. So we'll do the same expert. So you're an expert in the patent process. That limits chat to its search to be that expert. So I'm going to do a prior art search, which is searching all of the USPTO, United States Patent Trademark Office, and Google patents to see if there's anything else like this. So as this is still developing out this patent, you saw all I did was put that one prompt, and right now it is already coming up with the entire patent. It will also have um, the drawings that's needed for the patent, um, and it will be in perfect patent format. So all you have to do is put in your information, and then you can file the patent yourself. So we're going to answer these questions, and we're going to first convert this to a PDF and add drawings. And so my first invention cost, thousands of dollars and took several years. But with chat, you're able to do it in seconds. I patented 3 things last weekend, and it took about an hour to do all three. And the patent cost is only $65 if you patent yourself. So that's the provisional cost, and that means you have 1 year to put in for a utility or a design patent or a different type of patent. And during that year, you don't have to build a model, but that's how you can sell it to bigger companies. It's always good to just offload it, get some type of percentage and get the sale if you can't afford the manufacturing process, which can be pretty heavy. So this is the drawings Um, Still generating more images you see, and the more time that it takes to think, the better. Hallucinations were at about 10% a month ago, and now with Chat 5, it's at about 1%. So you see that it thinks more and doesn't just spit things out that aren't not important. So while we're looking at, there we go. So what this invention does is if you are playing golf and you forget um, your cleaner, your metal cleaner, then you flip it over. It has a little rubber cleaner on the other side to clean the grooves out of your golf club if you hit it in the mud or the dirt or whatever it might be. And so now, if you're in the middle of the grass and you don't want to walk back to your cart, you've got these rubber nubs on your fingers, and um, you can clean the golf club with that. Okay, so we're gonna read this. It has all holdings. Okay, so this now, if we go up to the top, it has the full PDF for the patent. All I have to do is add my name, state, and this stuff here. Now I go to sorry, it should be USPTO.gov, not com. USPTO.gov, that's the United States Patent and Trademark Office. And what I would do is watch a quick video on how to submit your patent. It's pretty easy. And that's all you do. Very simple these days, not very complex. And you can be an inventor very, very quick. Have a great day.